In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix install unknown apps not showing on a Firestick. Intro. First, you're going to want to go ahead and open your Fire TV settings and select My Fire TV, then select About, and highlight your Fire TV device's name and press the Center Select button on your remote 7 times over it. And when the developer confirmation appears, press back once, and now you can open developer options, select Install Unknown Apps, then choose Downloader and switch this to On. If developer options still does not appear, you're going to go back to the My Fire TV setting here and select About again, and go down and select Check for Updates, install any available update, and restart the Fire Stick. On devices running Fire OS 14, the traditional developer options menu is not supported, so install unknown apps may not be unavailable. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.